How to remove Telegram restrictions. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to remove Telegram restrictions. Before you start, make sure your Telegram account is set to 18 plus. This is very important because Telegram only allows sensitive content for adult accounts. If your account is not set to 18 plus, you won't see this option. First, open the Telegram application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in and your internet connection is stable. Now, tap on the three lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to all your account settings, chats, and options. Here, tap on Settings to go to your account settings. This is where you can manage privacy, chat options, and content preferences. Next, tap on Chat Settings. This section allows you to customize how your chats look and control what content is visible to you. Then, scroll down until you find the option Show 18 plus content. This is the setting that controls sensitive or restricted media in Telegram. Turn the toggle on to remove restrictions and enable sensitive content. A confirmation message will appear, so tap on Confirm to save the changes. Once it's done, your Telegram account will no longer have content restrictions. You can now view all media in chats and channels, including content that was previously hidden. You can also turn this option off anytime by following the same steps. And that's it. Now your Telegram account is unrestricted and ready to show all content. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.